5 more minutes? Ugh. I don't want to wake up. What was that? It's so noisy.
Oh no! Please don't be a monster!
This smells amazing.
He wanted to borrow my toy, and then he tried to trade me his toy. It's so green, I don't like it.
Tom, can you go see who it is, please?
Yes, Mom. Okay, I'm coming. Hold on. Aunt Mary! Ben! No way! Hi, Tom. Good to see you. Dude, you're here. This is totally a sleepover.
I've got an emergency tonight. Can you watch Ben? I will pick him up tomorrow. Of course, Mary. Don't worry about it. Thank you so much, Emma. Go do what you need to do. We will look after Ben. Thank you, Emma.
Ben, be polite, okay? And don't stay up too late. Sure, I will. I'm okay, don't worry. I brought my pajamas.
I'll see you tomorrow. Love you.
Love you too. Bye. Come on, I'll show you around.
Here, eat as much as you want, Ben. Split it into 2 bites, okay? Don't eat it all in the same time.
Yes, Mom. Okay, let's build a tower. Pass me the long one. No, the long one. Pink goes on top. That's the law. Wow, look how high it is. That was amazing.
All right, guys. It's 9.
Tower time is over. It's bedtime.
I wanted to play more. See you tomorrow. We will continue playing. Agree. Roar! Don't let the monsters bite you.
Comfy?
Yeah, but I still wants to play.
You did great being welcoming to Ben. Nothing there. Just rain and a tree. Good night, Tom. Sleep well. I'm right down the hall. You know where to find me.
No ghosts. No ghosts. Hello? Who's there? Oh no, not again! That's a hand! That's totally a hand! But whose hand is that?
I need to find Mom! Right now!
I hope they are still awake. Dad! Open up!
Tom, hey. Slow down. What happened? Okay. Be patient. You're safe.
It's right there, behind the curtain. Watch. I'll turn on the light.
See? It's just a branch.
Oh, man. I really ran like my life was over.
I'll close it tighter so it won't tap again.
Here.
Hug, Mr. Bear.
Mom, you won't leave, right?
Good night, for real this time.
Huh, what's that? Tom said no scary stories, but my brain is making one up. Oh my gosh, those are eyes! Those are totally eyes! Auntie Emma! Help! Something's under the bed! It's me, Ben! I'm scared! Please open the door!
Okay, Ben. I'm here. You're fine. Tell me exactly what you saw.
Ready? No, but let's do this. Look!
It's a toy car. These little stickers reflect light.
I just screamed because of a car. That's embarrassing.